Today's consonant blend is GR. And remember, a consonant blend are consonants, sometimes 2, sometimes 3, that each say their own sound, but you blend them together in the word. So let's tap this first sound. G says G. G. One more time. G. And R says R. Tap it. R. One more time. R. Good. So together, grrr. Right? All right, let's see if we can practice that in some words. We'll tap and stretch it into some words and see what we get. Okay, let's tap and stretch. Grab. Okay, tap and stretch again. Grab. Good. Now let's say it fast like a word. Grab. Say it fast. Grab. Yes, grab. Would you grab the potato chips for me? Yum. Okay. Let's tap and stretch. Greg. Good. Let's tap and stretch again. Greg. Let's say it fast. Greg. Say it fast again. Greg. Yes, do you know somebody named Greg? And if we are using this as a name, then of course this one would be capital, right? Always, the first letter is a capital in names. Okay, now let's tap and stretch our new word. Grin. Tap and stretch again. Grin. Say it fast. Grin. Say it fast again. Grin. Yes, grin, like a smile. All right, let's tap and stretch our new word. Grip. Tap and stretch again. Grip. Say it fast. Grip. Say it fast. Grip. Grip. Yes, like to grab something, you have to have a strong grip. All right, let's tap and stretch our new word. Grit. Tap and stretch. Grit. Say it fast. Grit. Say it fast. Grit. Yes, grit, which has a couple of different meanings, like to be strong, or it could be like grits for breakfast if you live in the southern United States. Let's do one more word. Are you ready? Let's tap and stretch. Grub. Good. Tap and stretch again. Grub. Good. Now let's say it fast like a word. Grub. Say it fast again. Grub. Very good. That's the word grub, which has multiple meanings too. It means food. Grub could be food, but also a grub could be a little worm that's in the ground. Yeah. All right, here we have our consonant blend GR. Good job today.